Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Scorpio. So this is going to be your daily reading for your general energies and also for your love energies. So thank you all so much for all of your support, guys. Please keep supporting me and encouraging me, and don't forget to like, subscribe and to comment down below if this video resonates. So let us start with your general energies first, my lovely Scorpios. For your general energies, we have the clover here. We have the clover is just luck. We also have the clouds, which means a lot of thinking. So you guys are always thinking. We have the book. We have the key. You guys are so mysterious. People are just like wanting to know more about you, or you seem as a very mysterious person to everyone, okay? Like no one can discover you. You're something like that, guys. People don't know how to discover you because you seem very different and you seem very hard to discover, okay? I see here, Scorpios, that you are spending more time with your family members. You are like going to visit your relatives, or you're going somewhere on trip. I also see some of you are also like accepting the changes that comes with an opportunity, or you're accepting the change, okay? That's a good thing. I also see here for most of you with a book, you are reading about a lot of things, or you're researching about a lot of things, Scorpios. You're in that research mode. You're learning something different. And I also see here you have good luck. So today is going to be a very lucky day for you all, Scorpios. I also see here that you're distancing yourself from the negativity. With this card, it's just meaning that you are getting away from all the negative vibes and negative energy and all of that, okay? You are staying positive and you will do anything to stay positive. So that is your overall vibe for today. Also, people are going to view you as a very mysterious being. They cannot like discover anything about you, or they really don't know how you work, Scorpios. Usually you are a kind of a very mysterious sign, and you're proving to be again, okay? So let's see what else is coming up for your love energies now, okay? So I'll be also giving you some, some message on your person's energy also. So for your love energies first, and then let's check out for your person's energy, and I will be comparing both of yours energy, okay? Your energy. Okay guys, so you guys are working, I see here. Some of you might be working so hard. You have a lot of responsibilities that you need to fulfill, or you have a lot of responsibilities, Scorpios. So according to you, relating to the relationship or your love side, some of you who are in non-contact or something like that, you are waiting for this person to come back to you. So if you're in non-contact, you're definitely waiting for this person. But if you are like, if you are if you're already talking to this person, then you want this person to become a spiritually higher being, because you don't want this person to be very immature. You want them to mature, okay? In both the cases, you want this person to think in a different way. You don't want them to think like this, however they're thinking. You just want them to be in a mature way, and you want that stability in a relationship, okay? You might be also dealing with, again, a Taurus. You might be also dealing with Sagittarius, Leos. I also see Gemini, Aquarius and Pisces. Maybe Virgos also, guys. So also Capricorn. So you might be dealing with these signs, but the signs really don't matter. So if you're dealing with anyone other than these signs, it's okay. So let's see what else is coming up for you all. This is going to be your love energy. So how are you both thinking? Like your person's thinking, you're thinking. Okay guys, with these cards I also see that you guys have really different, you guys are different from each other, because I see totally different energies here, and that is why maybe you had this breakup because your conversation was not proper, you had some verbal arguments before you separated and all of that. But time will answer you, okay? Don't worry guys, time will make everything right, and time will be there to mend your bond, okay? This person feels like this ended, and they feel like this is a cycle that will repeat itself, like that is repeating, and they know that they met you in their past life, they met you in this life, they know it, they know that they met you in the past life, okay? Your person just knows it, and they can feel that they met you in the past life. But I also see here with ancient wisdom card that this person, you've triggered some parts of this person that were not triggered before. Like this person realized that they love you so much because you just triggered them in a very different way. I see here guys, this person really loves you, and they feel you're so unique, not like others. They feel you're the unique person with the sweet memories. You have a lot of good memories with this person, and you're just thinking about those memories again and again. It's just playing again and again in your head, and you're just like, oh my god, I thought I wanted a new beginning away from all this thinking and all of that. But when I go towards this new beginning, the thinking happens. What should I do? Should I just wait for things to happen, or should I just move on? Like you are stuck, okay? But I see here also for some of you, you guys are dreaming a lot. So Scorpios, you are dreaming, that person is dreaming too. So if you're dreaming about each other, it's like, okay, but if you're getting some kind of weird dreams, I also see here Scorpios, something is so weird, you guys might be thinking, why am I getting those weird dreams? Like some of you are really like, you also, like as I told before, you are like also maintaining a dream journal, or if you're not, please maintain a dream journal, because it will really give you a clear idea of what your subconscious is trying to tell you, okay? So we took for your energies, let's take for your person's love energies. This person is like not emotional with anyone. They feel like they don't want to be emotional with anyone, okay, because they're into this confusion, Scorpios. So your person is just confused with a lot of things. We have this card which means internal conflicts. They're confused with a lot of things, Scorpios, a lot of different things going on in their head. They're just confused a lot, and they don't know what to even do. Like this person who we're dealing with is also not emotional right now. They're not dealing with anything emotional, but they want you guys, okay? They don't want you to wait for them, but they want you, and they want you to know that they'll come towards you, but they're right now not in that situation of coming towards you, okay? But we have the Empress card. They view you as like the mother of their children and all of that, okay? We have this Empress card which states like that, but I see here this person is not emotional, because we have the Ace of Cups, the whole emotion card in reverse, because this person is scared to come towards you, maybe for some of you, okay? Because they also feel if they come towards you, it's just like a lot of responsibility. They can't deal with a lot of responsibility, okay? And that might be the reason why they're not coming towards you, okay guys? With this, you're also changing, Scorpios, day by day. You are changing, you want to change, you're getting new haircut, or you want to do something different to yourselves, guys. You are just so different. Some of you Scorpios are really different. You want to do some unique things. You're just amazing, Scorpios. That's all I can see here. I also see here that you people think that you released your power also. So if you had any kind of any kind of power on this person, like you were controlling this person for some of you, but right now you just like let this person go, like you are just like, let them do whatever they want, I don't care anymore. So when you release this power, this person is getting triggered, or you release this person out of your life and boom, they're getting triggered and they will come towards you, I see here, because most of you release their power over this person. Like nowadays you do think about this person, but you're not kind of, whenever the thought comes, you're kind of neglecting those thoughts, and you're not like sitting and brooding over those thoughts, okay? So when you release power, this person is going to come. So if you've not yet released your power over this situation, or the whole whole situation, whatever you're going through, please make sure that you release that power, okay? Because when you release the power over the situation, this person is getting triggered and they'll come towards you, okay guys? So this is all I have for you all, my lovely Scorpios. You just need to know that this person is dreaming about you. They're getting a lot of dreams about you and all of that, okay? Bye guys, see you all tomorrow. Your lucky color for today, Scorpios, is golden, and your lucky crystal for today is calcite.